name is Jeff. Welcome back to my vlog. We are here right now in Antipolo. And nandito tayo sa church. This church is called Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage dahil magpapabless tayo ng car. May mass pa ngayon, so before tayo mapunta sa magpabless, check muna natin inside. Mag-mass muna tayo sandali. And after magpapabless tayo car. Let's go! So guys, ngayon pupunta tayo sa office para dun sa mag-registration para before magpa-bless. And I think may fee rin na babayaran. Kaya, this is it. Ayan. This is their office. Let's go inside. Okay guys, car blessing because we also have this. Here's the car. Time to go bless the car.
Sinabi na Jesus sa kawantaan, katawang buhay. Walang salamat sa umaakong sa pamagitan ko. Pinupuri ka namin, Panginoon Kristo.
Guys, we're here in Antipolo. So susulitin na natin, bibili na rin tayo ng mga pasalubong. Ang mga famous na pasalubong nila dito is usually the kasoy and the suman. So ayan, let's check them out right there.
It all you can free taste.
Uy, may free taste. Ano to kuya? Ay, ano pala, sorry ate. Kasoy, mao. Bago to mga to?
Bago po, hindi na lang ng luma.
Gusto niyo po tikman, sir?
Ay, ito na lang.
50 ni 100 ni 150. Depende po sa baso mo na may prices ka.
Guys, every time we're here in Antipolo, ito yung mga binibili namin, mga kasoy. Yan, favorite namin yan, the yema. And the suman. Yan, so we're gonna buy. Look at those. So yan, ito yung mga other kinds nila. They have adobong kasoy. What's this? Plain? May balat. Buo. And all these.
Ito all you can dito.
Dito marami sa loob, mamo.
Sir, halika na dito mo.
Mamo, try nyo.
Wala kang maliliit na ganyan, yung medyo
Wala po. One size lang mo.
Palagyan mo ako ng sauce. Yema pala yan.
Tuluan ka na lang.
Yes, please. Ayan. Thank you.
Hindi pa apat para ano, para dalawang set ang bibili ko.
Sige, madam.
Dami pa pala, oh. Dahil pang pasalubong guys, so look ko. They have banana chips and this is, what's this? I'm not sure kung ano to. I think banana rin to. Ooh, cool. Pili nuts naman pala. Sarap na ito.
Magkano yung yema?
Yema 250 lang.
Ano sa ito? Ano tong adobo?
Huwag mo nang taasan.
Batis nga ng adobo. Ay, thank you.
350 po yung isa mataas ngayon, ma'am. Atong dito naman.
Wow, may giveaway. Thank you. Thank you po sa giveaway. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, we're done. Let's go, let's go. So we're back home and look, oh, there's a new TV. Wow. It's the new LG OLED na 77-inch. Unboxing the new TV. Ganda. Grabe, it's so thin. Look at that. Ang nipis. There's the TV. So there's our old TV. It's a Sony na 75-inch pero nasira na siya. Sayang nga eh. It's only 3 years. Isira na siya, oh sayang. So, we got a new one. We're installing yung pinaka-stand niya before namin ilipat doon. Okay, so for those who's gonna ask, the model is an LG 77-inch na C2. So this is the latest 2022 model. And look, oh guys, ano kung gano'ng kanipis. Sobrang nipis niya. Parang glass lang, oh. Grabe. Yan, so they're gonna install it na. And then later, lalagyan na natin sa music room. So guys, same place pa rin natin lalagay. Diyan pa rin natin lalagay yung TV. So inayos na namin siya. So guys, we decided to get a new TV kasi biglang all of a sudden nasira lang yung TV namin. Like, biglang sira na siya. So, ayan, i-assemble na lang nila right there. And, in a while, later, lalagyan na natin siya dyan. And then, pakita rin natin kay Raymas kasi hindi niya pa alam na may TV na. Let's go! There's the TV. There's me. Hello. What's that? Bruno Kubi! Come here, come here! Come here! Kasi na makadaan. Oh, what's that? Jump, 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 jump! Oh, baro. Go, Bruno! Yemas, Lika! Yemas! Oh, boy, flipping it. Look at our new TV. Oh, what is your reaction? Wow!
Sirahin natin ito.
Ha?
Sirahin natin.
Ay, pwede na natin siyang i-ano. Look at our new TV. There's a new TV! We have a new TV! Right there, right there, right there. Okay, let's go! Guys, I'm gonna show you kung gaano siya kanipis. As in, like, very manipis siya. Oh, look, oh. Look at that. Ganyan lang siya. Imagine. Ganyan lang siya kanipis, oh. Wow, grabe ang nipis. Mas tingnan mo kung gaano siya ka, ano, oh, thin. Very thin. Excited na siya mag PS5. Ayaw mo yung white na na controller?
Nothing.
No, Cooper. Si Rim's excited mag PS5. Go. Faster. Try mo na. Unboxing. Go. Take out the film. Sige, go.
Film yan?
Film yan. Go. Sige lahat, Rims. Go. Yeah. Okay guys, so ang problem naman namin ngayon is anong gagawin namin with this TV. Pinag-iisipan pa namin if we're just gonna sell it or papaayos namin kasi may sira lang talaga yung LCD niya. Kaya namin nag-decide kumuha ng another. Sorry guys, nakapambahay na ako because I'm at home and di pa ako nag-shave again. Oh. Loko. And Kobe's also there. Say hi, Kobe! Sleepy na sila eh. So yan, actually we're done na rin for today. So na-install na natin yung TV natin and it's a little bit bigger compared dun sa luma natin and super linaw ng quality niya. Sobrang ganda niya because it's already an OLED display. 77-inch siya and that is the newest OLED TV from LG. That is... forgot the name. That is the LG 77C2. Super nice siya guys. So, if you guys are planning to buy a new TV as well, try nyo na tong OLED ng LG. So ano, Kobe? Goodbye ka na sa TV mo? Say goodbye to your old TV, Kobe! And that's our old TV. So guys, let me know rin on the comments down below. What do you guys think should we do with our old TV? Papaayos na lang ba natin and put it in my room? Or benta na lang. Okay guys, andito si Kobe. Say hi, Kobe! Hello, Kobe! Hello, Kobe! Hello, Kobe! What are you doing? So yan guys, so we're done for today. Tapos na tayong pumunta sa Antipolo para sa blessing ng car. And okay na rin yung TV natin, andito na yung sa house. Andiyan pa nga actually yung box. Si James naman is playing already inside. Right there. Yeah, see? Look at the TV. It's already there. So yan muna, that's it muna for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. What do you guys think? Kobe, what do you think of our vlog today? Chill vlog lang muna tayo ngayon. Yan. Kobe, say bye-bye. So yan, again, my name is Jeff. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for Kobe para makita niyo pa si Kobe dito sa mga vlogs ko. Okay, see you again soon. Bye-bye now. Say bye, Kobe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.